these packages just arrived and it says affiliate starter pack or starter kit. So I'm thinking this might be a welcome package from Fusion because I just got approved for their affiliate program. So I thought I would open it with you guys and see what's in it. I'm so excited. This one's heavy. I hope it's paint. Okay. Stain and top coat, okay. So this is like an odorless version of mineral spirits that I've seen lots of people use, but I've yet to try, so I'm very excited about that. Their TSP alternative, which is amazing because I just took it inside, but my TSP has like maybe this much left in it. I think that's it for that one. Angled sanding sponge. That's gonna be really useful for an upcoming project I have. The fan deck, that's awesome. I actually just bought one of these. Maybe I'll do a little giveaway. Yay! I don't have any Fusion brushes. This is exciting, very amazing. Oh my god, there's so many goodies in here. 12cm rollers. Matte tough coat, which is like their top coat. I love branded pens. Information about the products. Oh, nice. This is a great thing to bring if you go into like a consult for custom work with a client at their house or something. This is so handy to be able to bring. The fan deck too, but yeah, those are great things to keep with you. Ooh, and a product guide. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'll play with that later. Yes. Roller, the rollers. Okay, this is like so exciting. I see exciting colors. I literally had this in my cart this morning. I'm glad I didn't order it. Perfect, thank you. I have not tried this one yet, so that's very exciting. Ooh, I haven't tried this. I love their mustard though, so this is like a softer option. This is my all-time favorite Fusion mineral paint color, and I want to use it on every single piece, but I stopped myself because I want my pieces to not all look the same. This is my close second because Sacred Sage is no longer. Lamp White was another one I had in my cart. Maybe they were looking at my cart, but they would have sent this earlier. Anyways, that's amazing. I'm like very overwhelmed right now. This is a lot of stuff. Their little sample pots, metallics, amazing. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Furniture wax, clear glaze, smooth embossing paste, another furniture wax, a brown furniture wax, antiquing glaze, brush cleaner, also convenient because the other one I have from a different brand, the thing broke on it, the bottle broke. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh my god!